Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jim Grisanzio from Oracle. We're back tonight to talk more Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovations. The conference is at the end of March, and so next month. And I'm here with Graeme Rocher, who's in Spain. Graeme is a Java champion and also the creator of Grails and Micronaut. Graeme, welcome. Welcome to the program.
Nice to be here. Thanks very much.
It's actually good to see you. Last time we spoke was September for this very conference, actually. And so you did a hands-on lab session there and a couple of other things. And this time you're doing a couple of sessions, or at least one session that I know of, something about Micronaut and Java Records.
Yeah, so this is really exciting because I'm getting to play, so often during the development of a framework like Micronaut, we're working with like earlier Java versions. And I'm really looking forward to trying out records with Micronaut in this presentation and presenting, how they're going to improve syntactically the construction of Java applications in defining much more concise data classes, which you can serialize and deserialize the JSON, read and write to the database. So I think it'll be a lot of fun.
So the title actually says accelerate productivity. What does that part mean?
Well, I think Java Records will definitely reduce the number of lines of code in people's applications that they have to write to deliver the same application. So, traditionally with Java beans, getters and setters and so forth, you have to do, generate a lot of code to represent kind of data classes. And with Records really solves that problem in a really elegant way. So I think, just the reduction in lines of code, less lines of code to write means greater productivity, and I think that'll be a really good thing for Java developers with Records. And for so long we've used things like Lombok and so forth to reduce the lines of code. And Records are going to really have a big impact on API design in the Java space for the next few years, I believe.
Okay, cool. That sounds interesting. Thanks, Graeme, for your time. Appreciate it. And again, this is for Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovations, end of March. Graeme, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.
Speak to you soon, and looking forward to it. Thanks.